Shout out to the nation out there. It's your girl Deanna Diaz, business coach, entrepreneur, aka your business bestie. Okay, today I'm gonna go over some tips on how you can be successful in 2022. Let's go. Number one, stop being afraid of you. That's right, I said it. Stop being afraid of you. So many people are not living up to their potential. They're not living up to their own greatness, myself included, because we're scared of what somebody else might say. We're scared of what somebody else may think. We're scared of how we're going to handle the next step up. We're scared of who we're going to leave behind if we keep progressing forward. We're scared of who new is going to come into our life and try to screw us over. We're scared of the unknown. We're over here focusing on the known. Like, we know if we continue to do this, if this is going to happen. Okay, we have to get out of that. We have to say, okay, if I start something new and I do this, then this new thing can happen. Or I make a mistake and I learn from that mistake. Now I can do this. Okay, you're scared of being you. Stop doing that. We ain't got time to be scared of your greatness in 2022. Okay. Number two, do not dwell on mistakes. Okay, mistakes were made. Lessons were learned. If you are smart, and I know you are because you're watching this video, then you learned from your mistakes. Do not repeat the mistake. What did Einstein say? Keep doing the same thing over and over, expecting a different result is called what? Crazy. Yes. Don't be crazy that way. Be crazy about your business. Be crazy about your grind. But that's it. Do not dwell on your mistakes. You saw what happened with what you did when you did it and figured out why you did it. Now figure out how to do it better. All right? That's number two. Don't dwell on your mistakes. Number three. Work out and eat right, y'all. Work out and eat right. You say you want to be successful, but meanwhile, you're battling these health problems, or you're on the road to be battling health problems. It's not okay to eat all crazy, drink all crazy, and sit on your butt. You know, most of us entrepreneurs, most of the times, until we get in front of a client, or we go to a show, or we got to sell stuff or make a product, we're doing this on the computer. We are sitting down. We need to start moving. We need to start eating right. We want to be here to enjoy our success. We don't want to be the fat CEO. We don't want to be the fat CEO. We don't want to be the obese, breathing heavy, can't walk up steps CEOs. We want to look good in our business clothes. We want to feel good when we go to meetings. We want to work out and we want to eat right. We want to be the example for our children. If you don't have children, you want to be the example of what success looks like. Success does not look sloppy. Success doesn't move sloppy. Success is health. Health is wealth. That should be your first priority. Work out and eat right. That's number three. Number four, connect more. If you haven't been doing this over the pandemic, then you lacking. This should have been your prime time to connect more with people, especially across the internet. There's been so many platforms available for you to do that. Clubhouse and all types of, a lot of Zoom meetings and things like that. Even if somebody says, hey, I got this opportunity for you. And I know at least y'all have at least heard that statement at least one time. Just hop on, listen, and connect with that person. They may have more things going on outside of what they're presenting you. All right. Net worth is going to increase your net worth, but you have to do it right. So make sure that you connect more with people. Number five, create a contingency plan for your business. All right. So for example, I normally have my annual vision board party, but due to this new variant, due to the Omicron virus, no, I'm just kidding. Due to the Omicron virus, I had to move my annual vision board party to a Zoom party. It's not what I wanted to do, but it's necessary because I care about my health. I don't want to catch nothing, vaccinated or not. I don't want to catch nothing. I don't want to bring nothing home to my daughter. And I don't want to put anybody at risk into catching anything. So I'd rather it be safe, okay? create a contingency plan for your business. That goes for products. You know, if this product is not doing well, what product can you put in place of that? If this service isn't being booked, what can you put in place of that service? Think about it, okay? So make sure that you have a contingency plan for your business. Number 6, strategize for your business by the quarter. I'm telling you, this will eliminate a lot of things going on. All right, so we know quarter is 3 months. All right, so this will be first quarter. You want to plan and organize things, you know, your marketing plan, your goals, financial goals, everything down the line, every events, you know, strategize by the quarter. And then that way you'll have an idea of what's going on, and then you'll have an idea to track what worked and what didn't work for you to push through on the second quarter or the next quarter, depending on when you're watching this video. So you'll have all that in place and know what's going on. You don't have to guess. You don't have to scramble. You don't have to say, oh, we have nothing launching. What are we going to do? You know what I mean? You just strategize by the quarter, and also put your demographics in there, your customer avatar, target audience. You will know all of that, what's going on. Okay, so make sure you strategize by the quarter, and it makes it easier for you to do your taxes as well when you're doing it by the quarter. If you don't do it monthly, at least do it by the quarter. Okay, strategize by the quarter. And number 7, actually go hard. Let me say that again. Let me come a little closer. I want you to actually go hard. Go hard. There's nothing in your way. There's nothing stopping you. We all have access to these things right here. All day, every day. There's nothing stopping you from talking to your next client, meeting them out in the street. There's nothing stopping you from making that next sale. There's nothing stopping you from being creative and thinking of your next plan. There's nothing stopping you from jumping on social media and saying, hey, this is what I got going on. There's nothing stopping you from saying, hey, can I tag you in my next post about my business so your friends can see it? The worst they can tell you is no. There's nothing stopping you from doing those side hustles like rideshare, Instacart, DoorDash, and things like that there to fuel your hustle. There's nothing stopping you. Nothing stopping you. Kids, you can't even use that as an excuse no more because they make car seats. Me and my daughter be riding. There's nothing stopping you. It don't matter what time of the day it is, what time of the night it is. There's nothing stopping you. Go hard. That's all I'm saying. Go hard. And if you're not going to go hard, then go to bed. Good night. Go sit down and get out the way. If you're not going to go hard, so us real go-getters can go get it without you being in the way. Those are my tips for being successful in 2022. I'd like to know your comments or your concerns or any feedback that you have about this video. And if you feel like something else should have been on this list, please drop it in the comments below. You may be able to help somebody and you don't even know it. But other than that, I am so glad that you came here today. And I do want to let you know that January 29th is my annual vision board party. If you're not a part of D Nation, then your investment is $15. This is not your mother's or your sister's or your cousin's vision board party, honey. No, it's not. This is my vision board party. And we do it big. We do it big. If you look on my YouTube video, you'll see a video of the comments that were given to me during last year's vision board party. My bad, you guys. My camera cut off. But like I said, make sure you like and subscribe and catch me on the next video.